Today on Nutri-Snack, I am baking honey glazed salmon and persimmon. Salmon is a low-calorie protein source. It's also low in saturated fat and very rich in omega-3s. Persimmons are fat-free and they are loaded with antioxidants. I had unripe persimmon, so I decided to bake it. The ripe persimmon is very delicious and you actually look like this. If yours is ripe, then skip baking. I have peeled and chopped the persimmon. For seasoning, I took juice of 1 lemon. I've added all the pieces on an oven-proof dish. Added lemon here. I have also taken 1 spoon of honey and added a little bit of hot water in it. This will help dissolve honey. In honey, I added a pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamon powder. I have also added a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, gave a good mix and poured over the dish. I just wanted to mention that you could actually do this with any fruit that's not ripe, like unripe peach, unripe mango, unripe pineapple, you name it. I put it in preheated oven for about 30 minutes. Whilst it was baking, I took it out of oven just to change its side. In meanwhile, I started to work on the rest of the ingredients. I took out pomegranate seeds. I've also added some walnuts for additional omega-3, but this is totally optional. I've also added diced pineapple core, which was sweetened with sugar. I happen to have it at home and I wanted to use it up, that's why I added it, but it is totally optional. The ingredients are written in the description box. Here I'm finishing off with little bit of dried parsley. Fresh parsley or dried, both can be used here. Here I am with my beautiful persimmon salad. Now for salmon, I've already washed and dried. I took juice of 1 orange. To marinate salmon, I've added a tablespoon of olive oil, ½ teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon of cumin powder, and ½ teaspoon of paprika powder. I am also adding a tablespoon of honey in the mixture. Gave a good stir and added it all onto oven-proof dish. I am going to marinate this for about 30 minutes in the fridge. 30 minutes later, I put it in the oven and baked on preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. Whilst my salmon was in the oven, I started to steam tender stem broccoli, which is also a good source of vitamin A and C, which keeps your skin really healthy and happy. This will take about 6 to 8 minutes. I cut a tangerine into veggies, and this is going to go on top of my salmon once I change the side over. The juices from tangerine will add extra flavor into salmon. At this stage, I also glazed all the pieces again with very little amount of honey. and put it back in the oven for further 15 minutes. And here I have honey glazed salmon that I served with persimmon salad and tender stem broccoli. It was absolutely delicious. If you make this, remember to tag me on my Instagram. Thank you for watching.